The electric bike industry is abuzz with excitement following Himiway's captivating showcase at CES 2024. Hailing from California, this company has earned its reputation by seamlessly blending affordability with functionality. However, their latest unveiling suggests a bold departure into the high-performance e-bike arena, raising eyebrows and setting new industry benchmarks. The suspense surrounding the pricing of these cutting-edge bikes only adds to the anticipation, leaving enthusiasts eager to discover what Himiway has in store. Leading the charge in this electrifying display are the X5 Pro and X5 Ultra, two mountain bikes that redefine the off-road electric biking experience. Boasting 27.5-inch wheels, these bikes are engineered to conquer the most challenging terrains with ease. What sets the X5 Pro and X5 Ultra apart is the meticulous combination of top-tier components. The integration of Schwalbe tires, RockShox suspension, and Ceramcoat Ultimate brakes, all enveloped in lightweight yet robust carbon frames, signifies a commitment to both performance and durability. At the heart of these mountain beasts lies the Bafang M500 motor, delivering not just power but a seamless, high-torque experience tailored for discerning mountain biking enthusiasts. But Himiway's CES 2024 showcase goes beyond conquering mountains. The Zebra and Cobra Pro models, unveiled at the event, cater to adventurous souls unbound by conventional terrains. The Cobra Pro, with its full suspension frame and massive tires, positions itself as an all-terrain beast, ready to tackle any landscape. Meanwhile, the Zebra, with its accessible appearance, ensures that no adventure is out of reach. Both models boast a robust 1000 watts motor, striking a harmonious balance between power and accessibility. For urban riders, the A7 Pro emerges as a game-changer in the city commuting landscape. This bike seamlessly blends urban convenience with high-performance features. The step-through frame and full suspension ensure a comfortable ride, while the adjustable stem and integrated wheel lock showcase Himiway's dedication to meeting the diverse needs of urban cyclists. While the precise pricing details of Himiway's latest electric bike models remain shrouded in mystery, the company's well-established track record hints at an exciting prospect for potential customers: great value. Himiway has built a reputation for seamlessly merging practicality with affordability, making their offerings accessible to a wide range of consumers. This legacy suggests that, when the pricing details are eventually revealed, the models showcased at CES 2024 will likely offer an enticing balance between high performance and cost-effectiveness. In summary, Himiway's bold step into the high-performance e-bike sector at CES 2024 has not only created a stir within the industry, but has also set a new standard for innovation, appearance, and capability. As the industry eagerly awaits the revelation of pricing details, one thing is clear: Himiway's latest offerings are poised to reshape the landscape of electric biking. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.